You've worked as a diplomat for many years, and you are now politically active. What are some strategies governments should make to maintain a balance between the environment and corporations?
Well, I'm sure Mr. Pachauri mentioned to you, of course, the correlation between industrial development and climate change, and the need to take a number of measures to ensure that we do not end up with grave damage to our environment. That doesn't mean that we would not industrialize, but we do it in an environmentally benign way. There's a lot of, to use, both in transportation, in the industry, in housing appliances, you have to use, be aware or conscious of the impact on the environment and the CO2 or energy efficiency. I mean, the clean coal, reliance more on renewable sources of energy, which now provide 1/5 of the electricity in the world, is still not there yet to be able to provide large amounts of electricity. But I think in a few years we would continue to rely more on renewable, and we need to invest more on renewable. So it's again it's maintaining a balance. You just have to make sure that by developing, not ending up damaging or the environment in an irreparable manner. So there are lots of, as you know, lots of measures that need to be taken. Unfortunately, it's not yet. That's part of the problem, that a lot of the countries are not doing that. And the industry in many countries are not conscious of the damage to the environment. Some people even question, the whole issue of climate change, which is, if I were to err, that's not my area, but if I were to err, I would err on the side of being cautious.